choice.
This is the kind of content we need. Let's just run this on a loop. Shohei Ohtani, a man and his dog, a man and his MVP. Congratulations to Shohei Ohtani. He too a unanimous winner.
セルフを手伝うの
There's probably 3 that says my Instagram is 4 Shohei dog memes in a row. Like everyone's posting.
やばい
この度、ア・リーグ2023年の MVP に、選んでいただきありがとうございます、ファンの皆さんの応援がすごく力になりました、また来年も頑張りますので、よろしくお願いします。また会いましょう。